Hello and welcome to your next car on the walk around video for the 2017 67 Reg F33 EDRIVE 330e. Vehicle itself is presented in Alpine White, and alongside that we've of course also fitted a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit. This 330e comes very nicely equipped from BMW with some nice optional extras, and we've added a set of the 19-inch 703 alloy wheels that we've just had professionally refurbished in the shadow bicolour jet black. At the front of the car you can see the LED headlamps, however these are the adaptive LED headlamps, so in the direction that the steering input is made, the headlamps will of course follow, which is a great safety item alongside providing better lighting. Down the side of the car on the front wing you can of course see the charging port. This is of course where you'll put in the vehicle for charging. The vehicle does come equipped with a 3-pin charging cable, and we shall show you that shortly. Alongside down the side you can see the satin side vinyls, matching sidebars and YNC Mperformance decals. We've got a very nice black Dakota leather on this car. Alongside that you can see there we've got comfort access noted by these little lines on the door handle. So I've got the key in my pocket, I can walk up to the car and it'll unlock for me. The seats on the car have got the electric memory and movement, alongside being the Highlight Black Dakota leather, as you can see there. And as I've mentioned, the front seats are heated also. In the rear, we have a very spacious Isofix 3-seat rear bench, central folding armrest, and a darkened M Sport headlining. And thanks to very clever packaging, it has still got the same amount of room as a regular petrol or diesel alternative. Moving round towards the rear of the car, again showing you how nice these 19-inch alloys are, especially set against that Alpine White body colour. Again, we've opted to go for the high gloss rear diffuser and the matching rear spoiler for this 330e. Opening up the tailgate, there you can see again, we've still got a nice sized boot, bearing in mind we have of course got a battery pack stored underneath the false floor system. And of course there you can see the charging cable that will of course come with the car. We've also got, thankfully, the split folding seat option, which we'll demonstrate for you shortly. Moving around to the driver's side, once again, everything is exceptionally clean and tidy on this eDrive 3 series. And the Alpine White really does work nicely with all of the additions we make. And I'll just quickly demonstrate that split folding seat action, which is, of course, really helpful. Of course, you do lose a slight bit of luggage capacity because of the electric motors and electric battery packs in the boot there. However, it's not much in terms of that overall compromise for the overall benefit of having a hybrid 3 series. Moving on inside, we've got the BMW business navigation and media screen, and the car is now started up, and that takes a little bit of getting used to the car not making any noise once the vehicle is started. If you do want some more technical information on regards to an F33 eDrive, up in the top right hand corner there will be a link to a full in-depth review of a vehicle similar to this one that I made very earlier on in the year. And of course I'll just run you through a couple of tips whilst I show you around some of the features. There's the sat nav. So in terms of charging the car, it will take around about 3 to 4 hours from a stone dead flat battery. From that you'll get an expected claimed range from BMW of around 27 miles. And of course you still got a lovely 2-litre turbocharged petrol engine up front when all of that electricity runs out. It's covered just over 47,000 miles. Has got a 7-speed sports automatic gearbox within the eDrive range. So we still get the lovely flappy paddles. We've got cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls. And we've also got a fantastic heads-up display, which also has the road speed sign alert as well. So currently displaying our speed alongside the road speed for the road we are on. That's a bit of a tongue twister. It's got Bluetooth, telephone and audio, along with a wide array of multimedia inputs, including DAB, Bluetooth audio, USB. If we go through, excuse me, back into the main menu, you can see there we've also got the Connected Drive Plus. This gives you access to online search, news and weather apps. And just behind the gear selector is the eDrive Mode Select. You do get 3 modes, and again I do cover that in a bit more detail in my full review of the F33 eDrive range. And of course that can be adjusted even further with the Performance Mode Select switch down here, so you still get your regular Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro settings as well. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch our walk around video of a fantastically presented, very nicely spec'd F33 eDrive. I hope you've enjoyed it and been able to find it useful. And of course, if you do want to get in touch, well, you'll find all of the relevant contact information down below in the description. Thank you once again. Take care. Bye bye.